everyone, once again this is Polly and I welcome you all to my channel Polly's World. Wish you all a very happy and wonderful Diwali. Enjoy this festive season but remember, be safe. Friends, what are your plans for this Diwali? कुछ ना कुछ plan तो आपने already कर लिया होगा, but whatever you have planned, enjoy, have fun, spend time with your friends and family और हाँ, बहुत सारी मिठाइयाँ खाना मत भूलिएगा. दिवाली है, मिठाई तो बनती है. By the way, मैंने इस दिवाली बनाया है ये. Yes, this is the दिवाली गिफ्ट बॉक्स. अब मैंने ये बॉक्स कैसे बनाया है और इसके अंदर क्या क्या है, इसको जानने के लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा ये पूरा वीडियो. तो वीडियो पूरा देखें कि मैंने किस तरह से ये गिफ्ट बॉक्स बनाया है अपने दोस्तों के लिए. और अगर वीडियो पसंद आए then give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Here I have an old box of perfumes and I am going to transform it into a gift box. For that I need some silver foil, then gift wrapping sheets, ribbon and Fevicol. So finally this part is ready. Now it is time to decorate the box top. So friends, as you can see, I am pasting some cutouts over here. Well, these cutouts are from my previous DIY project that was on spanner cards. So these were the left out cutouts. So now I am using these cutouts over here to decorate my box top. And friends, if you are willing to watch that video, I have attached the link in the description box. You can go to that link and watch the video. Tada! My gift box is ready and now I will arrange all my items into the gift box. So first of all, I will put some shredded papers. And now I will keep these handmade candles one by one. These floral candles are handmade, which I have made at home. So if you want to watch this video, I have attached the link in the description box. You can go to that link and watch the video on how to make floral candles at home. Now I will keep all the chocolates I have bought. Now I am keeping some wax flowers as well. The good part about this wax flowers, you can use it on floating water as decoration. And finally, now I will keep this handmade spanner card which I was talking earlier. And yes, finally my Diwali gift box is ready. Once again, happy Diwali, enjoy your time with friends and family and come back to my channel, watch my videos and give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.